to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly general love reading for the month of Feb. While I shuffle the cards, please note tarot should always be used as a guide and hence only take what resonates, leave the rest. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch. However, when I go ahead and do the video, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing the video for. So let's quickly begin. Now what I see over here is the first card for you is the Judgment card. The next card for you is the Strength card, followed by the Two of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. The next one that I see for your person is Justice, the Six of Swords, the Temperance card, and the Page of Wands. We'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Cups, which is a new love offer, and it's a very emotional love offer which is coming either towards you or towards your person, or it could be one of you offering it to the other person. So what I see from the top row is we have the Judgment card followed by the Strength card, which is the Leo energy. Now the Judgment card, if you see this card, this person has the third eye open, which means they have done a lot of introspection, and judgment in itself means proclaiming that I will go ahead and do this, okay, which is the correct thing to go ahead and do in a situation. So this person has given a lot of thought, okay, and this again is you. So it could be you who has given a lot of thought towards this entire situation, and it took a lot of your strength and to go ahead and understand that what is the correct thing to do in this particular situation. Now I also see that there was definitely a lot of love that both of you had, because the Two of Cups means soulmate energy, twin flame. At times both of you felt a lot of love and affection towards each other. However, I also see the Nine of Pentacles. So there could be a situation where you felt that you definitely love this person, but you also love yourself first. Okay, this is something that I always say, that you cannot love somebody else, okay, till the time you don't love yourself. Okay, and the Nine of Pentacles is a very single, abundant energy. So it could be a time when you were definitely in love with somebody else, but you realize that before I love somebody else or even expect somebody else to love me, I need to love myself so that others go ahead and understand that they can't take me for granted. And that's what the energy that you are in right now, which is the Nine of Pentacles energy. Now your person has the Justice card, again a very major arcana, with the Six of Swords, the Temperance card, and the Page of Wands. Now the Justice card could mean that either this person wants to go ahead and provide justice in this situation. So if they had done some injustice, or if they were involved in a judicial case or some court matters, they will come out victorious and things would work in your favor, okay, in this situation. Now while this person has to go ahead and get the justice, there was definitely a lot of burden that they felt. Okay, so it could be that they had a lot of stress in this situation that they were dealing with, and they wanted to balance out the situation. The Temperance card is the yin yang energy, wherein you want to balance out the energy so that you have that calm, composed nature, and you can go ahead and sort things in your life. So that's what you wanted, or this person wanted in that life. And then once this thing is sorted, this person wants to go ahead and also start fresh with the Page of Wands. It's kind of a naive energy, because Page is again not a very mature, committed energy, and Wands definitely show a lot of sexual, passionate encounters. However, it definitely shows that this person would want to go ahead and start fresh. Okay, so it might start off as a little passionate affair kind of a beginning, but it can gradually move. Okay, so don't get disheartened if this person comes towards you in that way. Okay, you just need to be a little more patient with this particular person. Now, the mutual feeling that I see that both of you have is the world card. Now, when the world card comes, it means that there's one chapter in this particular relationship that needs to end and another chapter needs to begin. So, whatever was done in the past which could not be correct, that has to be corrected now, and a new cycle has to begin for both of you. Now, what is the blockage in the relationship? Is the Knight of Wands. Now, the Knight of Wands is somebody who's very slow moving, and that's the problem with this particular Knight. Though this person is very committed, it's very slow. It's as good as this person is not moving or taking any step towards this relationship. So that could be something that maybe one of you or both of you don't like about each other. Now, the outcome I see is the Hanged Man. So there will be a time when either you or the other person might feel a little stuck in this situation because you'll not know what is happening. However, my advice to you is just give it some time. Okay, if you feel that you need to take some time out to go ahead and understand what's happening in this situation or where this relationship is moving, take time out, have that conversation. Most of the times we don't have conversations, and that's where problems occur. So just have that conversation with the other person that you feel that you need some time out. You want to go ahead, step back and think about it. Okay. Now let's take one card here to understand the intention of this person. Spirit, can I have one card here to understand the intention of this person? Can I have one card here, please? Yes. Now the Temperance card. If you see, I have the Temperance card here and I have the Temperance card here from two major decks. Okay. So it definitely showcases that there's a lot of balancing which is required, because here also this person is trying to balance out, and this is also where you see the yin and the yang, and it's the balancing factor which is required. So both of you maybe need to balance out things, have that at conversation where you can understand what are things that are important for both of you and what are the things that are non-value add, and you can both let go of either those situations, people that don't add value in your life, or for both of you. Now let's take one more card to understand why this is the intention. The intention for Temperance is because this person at one point in time felt backstabbed. Okay, this person definitely felt how badly it hurts when you get backstabbed with these 10 swords. So this person doesn't want to go through that energy. Either it was something that happened to them previously, or it could be something that they felt during this relationship and they don't want to go through it. They want to have a very balanced approach towards this particular relationship. Now let's go ahead and take one card here, which would be the message from archangels for you, and also one crystal which will help you in this situation. So let me just take one card here. Okay, the message for you is from Archangel Gabriel. I'll put the message in the description box. You can read it from there. And the crystal for you is Ammonite. Okay, the message here is: are you spiraling round and round? Are you trying to find answers? It is time to stop, go within, and allow yourself to step into the deep recesses of your mind and emotions in order to uncover the truth. Take time for reflection beside the ocean or body of water. So what it's advising you is to go ahead and be somewhere close to water. Maybe you can go to a beach or maybe to the lakeside, and that's where you can go ahead and do all the thinking that is required. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you like the content of the video, like, share, subscribe, and till next time, stay safe and always love yourself first.